In this video, I'm giving you a quick, honest look at DeHome.ai, the tool that promises smart AI home design for interiors, exteriors, and even landscapes. So here's how it works. You upload a few photos of your space, pick the style you want, modern, Scandinavian, minimal, whatever, and the platform instantly generates several design options. It also helps with exterior makeovers, recommending materials and colors that actually match your house. And the landscape feature can redesign your garden based on your climate and the vibe you're going for. The whole process runs through 6 simple steps, from uploading your images to choosing your final design. And you do get 30 free credits when you sign up, which is nice for testing things out without paying. Now the good part, you can redesign interiors in seconds. It handles exteriors and landscapes too, not just rooms. You get multiple style choices and clear guidance through each step. But of course, nothing's perfect. Sometimes the AI transformations aren't very accurate, especially if your room photo has bad lighting or clutter. You might also notice odd furniture placements or unrealistic textures. And like most AI design tools, it won't always match your exact measurements, so you still need a bit of judgment before using it for real renovations. Overall, DeHome.ai is great for inspiration and quick visual ideas, but not something to rely on 100% for precise home planning.